Hello children, I hope you all are fine at home. Today I am going to teach a word related activity. Before a word related activity, let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date today? Today 14 August 2020. And which day today? Today Friday. How is weather outside? Weather cloudy. And which season going on? Rainy season. Children, in last period I revised a word related sound, a word related family word. So today I am going to teach book number 1. Book number 1, page number 21. Everybody open book number 1, page number 21. And what is the heading of NAME name? NAME name. THE the, GIVEN given, PICTURES pictures. Name the given pictures. Okay, name the given picture. So how to write name the given pictures? We find out in these puzzles, this box, and then we write here. Okay, first up to we find out in this puzzle, then we write upside. Okay, so first picture, which picture is this children? You know everybody, because we have more than 10 I explain pictures about name, picture with name. So look here, which picture is this? It's a pen picture. Which picture? Pen pictures. So we find out pen word and how pen word, pen letters. Okay, look here, CYB, it's a pen picture. No. SNNJO, no. Now first row is P and pen. Okay, P and pen, it's a pen word. Okay, so we find out in puzzle pen. So first up to we do circle. Okay, P and pen. First you find out in puzzle pen word, then you circle. After that you write upside. So we write here P and pen. Pen, P and pen. Okay. Now children, which picture is this? You like everybody. Which picture is this? It's a jam picture. Okay, fruit jam. So we found out jam spelling in puzzles. So FPLDXI, no. YZMKB, okay. What is the started from spelling jam? So first letter we find out, then we backward find out. Okay, jam. Understand? Whenever you find out in puzzle word, that time you start and think about first letter. What is the first letter? So first letter is a J. Jam. Okay, jam. Find out, and then we circle out jam. Okay, in puzzle we circle jam. Now we write upside jam. Okay, repeat with me, jam. Now children, next picture. Which picture is this? You use in summer season. What is the picture of? It's a cap picture. Which picture? Cap picture. So where is cap? Now you come in downside 3 row, then cap. Okay, cap. What is the first letter of the cap? K. So we find out easily in puzzle. That time we start, first letter is K. Cap. Now we circle cap, and we write upside cap. Okay. Now children, which picture is this? It's a can picture. Which picture? Can picture. Now where is can? We find out fourth row, third. What is the first letter of the K? Sa, da, ja, pa, vi, ba, la, ma. No. Fourth, N-T-U-T-A-P. There is K. K and can. Okay? It's a can picture. We find out in puzzle can word. So, look here. K and can. Okay? K and can. Now write here. K and can. Then, look. Which picture is this? It's a tap picture. Which picture? Tap. Where is tap picture? Now where is tap? We found out first letter. What is the tap? First letter. What is the spelling of tap? T. So we find out first of T. T. No. T U hai na. Then next is tap. Tap. Okay. Before can, tap word. Okay. So we circle above on the tap. 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 Now write here tap. Tap. Okay. Tap. Tap. Then children, now look here. Which picture is this? It's a rug picture. Which picture? Rug. So find out in rug. You come downside. Where is ra? First letter. First we start rug word spelling start from ra. So we find out ra. Ra aga rug. So we circle above on the rug. Ra aga rug. Okay. ठीक है. Now look. Which picture is this? It's a rat picture. Which picture? Rat picture. So what is the spelling of rat? Rat. Rat. First letter is ra. Find out ra. Last one. Ra at rat. Last box and last line. Ra at rat. Okay. Ra at rat. So we write here ra at rat. Then children, last picture. Which picture is this? It's a bat picture. It's a bat picture. So what is the spelling of bat? Ba at bat. What is the spelling of bat? Ba at bat. Now where is bat? Ba at bat. Find out. Yes, there is. Last second row. Ba at bat. Now we circle. Okay. Then we write upside. Ba at bat. Children, you repeat all word with me. Pa and pan. We circle in the puzzle. Jam, jam. We circle, then we write. Cap, cap. Circle and write. Ka and can. There is can and write ka and can. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Circle in puzzle, then write. Rag, rag. There is rug. Rag, rug. Ra at rat. There is last one ra at rat. And then ba at bat. Last second ba at bat. Okay. Everybody do this exercise, page number 21 and book number 1. Now children, next page, fill up your page. Page number 27. Everybody open page number 27. Book number 1. So look here children. What is the heading of the page number 27? L-double-OK, look. A-T, at, T-H-E, the. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, picture. A-N-D, and. C-O-M-P-L-E-T, complete. T-H-E, the. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, sentence. U-S-I-N-G, using. T-H-E, the. Given, given words. So look at the picture and complete the sentence using the given words. Means look at the picture. Okay, that means look picture and complete the sentence. This one is an incomplete sentence. So complete the sentence using the given words. Using the given words. Already given words. So we use these words and complete the sentence. So look here. The, is, on, the, mat. Children, it's a mat and it's a cat. You look two picture there, mat and cat. But what is the sentence of the the, is, on, the, mat. The cat is on the mat. So where word is missing? Which word is missing? We find out cat, cat. Okay. Write down cat. Now complete the sentence. The cat is on the mat. Understand? The cat is on the mat. Now next sentence. The, is, in, the, when. And which picture I draw? I draw one van and man. So the man is in the van. Where is man? Okay. So we fill up ma and man. The man is in the van. Look picture also children. The man is in the van. The man is in the van. Complete the sentence. Now third sentence. Which picture is this? It's a tag and pad. The, blank, is, on, the, pad. The tag is on the pad. It's a tag on the pad. The tag is on the pad. So we fill up the tag. Now complete the sentence. The tag is on the pad. The tag is on the pad. Now children, look here. Which picture is this? It's a tap and on the cap. The cap is on the tap. Where is cap? On the tap. So the, is, on, the, tap. So we write here the cap. Which picture is this? Cap. The cap is on the tap. The cap. Okay. Now complete the sentence. The cap is on the tap. And last one is which picture? It's a cap and on the rat. The rat is on the cap. Understand? The rat is on the cap. Now children, look here. The, is, on, the, cap. The rat. The rat is on the cap. Complete the sentence. And where is the rat spelling is there? We circle also there. Then fill up all word we use. Okay. Using the given word, complete the sentence. So look here. The cat is on the mat. When you do exercise, that time you read word. That time you read sentence and fill up the word. The man is in the van. The tag is on the pad. The cap is on the tap. The rat is on the cap. Okay. Complete everybody? Now children, next page number 2626. Fill up book same book. Book number 1 and page number 2626. Everybody open book number 1, page number 2626. Now children, what is the exercise of page number 26? Look at the picture and take the correct sentence. That means look at the picture and take the correct sentence. Which sentence is related from the picture? That sentence is related from the pictures. We take the correct sentence. Okay. First of all, we look picture. Then you read sentence. Now which sentence is related from picture? So that we tick. Okay. First, which picture is this? It's a rat picture. Rat is on a mat. Rat is on the mat. So children, first sentence I read, you listen carefully. Then you tell me where we tick. T-H-E the cat. I-S is O-N on. T-H-E the mat. The cat is on the mat. And second is the T-H-E the rat. I-S is O-N on. T-H-E the mat. The rat is on the mat. Is it first sentence is? Look here. Which one tick? Cat or rat? There is rat. So we take the second number sentence. So come on, tick like this. Okay. The rat is on the mat. There is not a cat. So we take the second sentence. The rat is on the mat. Now children, which picture is this? It's a pan and can. The can is in the pan. Okay. The can is in the pan. Now we read sentence. Which one correct? T-H-E the can. I-S is I-N in. T-H-E the pan. The can is in the pan. T-H-E the can. I-S is I-N in. T-H-E the van. The can is in the van. No. Can is not in van. The can is in the pen. Yes. The can is in the pen. So we take first. Then next picture has a boy, has a lad. When we asked about, we told that boy or lad, that is a same. Okay. Lad and pad. The lad has a pad. The lad has a pen. Okay. So which one correct sentence? The lad has a pad or the lad has a pen? The lad has a pad. So we correct sentence. We take the correct sentence. Okay. Then the cap is on the lap. The tap is on the lap. It's a boy. Her lap is cap. The cap is on the lap. Okay. T-H-E the cap. I-S is O-N on. T-H-E the lap. The cap is on the lap. Then T-H-E the tap. I-S is O-N on. T-H-E the lap. That means the tap is on the lap. No. The cap is on the lap. Okay. So we take the first sentence. Again I repeat. The cat is on the mat. It's a wrong sentence. The rat is on the mat. There is correct sentence. Okay. The can is in the pan. It's a correct sentence. The can is in the van. It's a wrong. Then the lad has a pad, it's a right correct sentence. The lad has a pen, it's a wrong sentence. Then the cap is on the lap, it's a correct sentence, and the cap is on the lap, correct sentence.